this video, we are going to compare my old and busted to the new hotness. This one I've had for maybe 4 or 5 years. This one I just bought a few days ago. It just came in and I'm really excited. So let's get started. But if you're just doing balloons for friends and family or just your own home setups, both these size balloons inflators are really easy to travel with. And I like that they're compact. So let's open this one up. So I'm kind of excited because, or I am excited, not kind of, because it has a little more features than this. So we're going to compare the two. So the first thing that did not come with this is it didn't have a hose. So this is similar to if you have one of those inflators that connect to a vacuum. That's what this is. I don't think I will be using this, but that's one of the things that's in the box. Let me move this a little bit. So that's one. And then, of course, one of the tie thingies. I literally hate these. I've never learned how to use these, so that will be recycled. Then more connections for the hose. So they have 3 additional connections that you can use with the hose. And so basically this end that's just single, you put it on there and it connects. So they have a wide, it looks like they have one a little more narrow, I guess for, and it has this weird feature where there's a hole. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's like an extra hole in there. So I don't know if that's for, if this would be good for inflatables. And then this one is not as wide as the thicker one. So, I mean, you could probably use this middle one for balloons. I don't know about, maybe like your, what are those called? Like the 18-inch, 24-inch. That's what this would probably be used for. And then your 12s probably be used for this. And then I guess you could put 5s on here. That'd be cool. Okay. So now let's see what else is in here. So then there's this. It's the cutter, which has to be added on, but that's like to cut your balloon string if you need it. And then extra nozzles. So the only thing that this original pink one came with was these 2 extra nozzles that screw on, as you can see. And at the end we'll test like the inflation, how fast it inflates. But yeah, so you can screw that on. And that's basically the only extra thing that came with that. I think it did come with one of those the blue tea tie thingies, one of these, but I don't use it. So I don't know what else is in here. And then there's another little one. So this one right here is similar to the one that's already on the pink, the blue things that are already on the pink one, but this one's it has like a little shape to it. So we'll have to test that out. And then of course, your mama jamma. There's instructions if you need it, but I'm a professional. Okay. So right off top, there's extra nozzles. Like you can already see that. There's extra nozzles. These don't look like extra, like take off. Like these look like are these extra or are these actual? Okay. So no, these are extra nozzles. So they, instead of like having them here together, like this one, these extra nozzles are here separately, which I think is cool. So I don't know if this, and then there's 2 buttons. So there's 2 of these buttons. So I'm very interested to see, maybe we'll take one of these out of here because it looks like they give you 2 of the same thing. So this one is just like this one, and then this one is just like this one. So they give you double. So I think I'm gonna put this one on this extra because this is one of the ones next to the button. So I don't know don't know what that's for. Very interested to see how to use that. And then this didn't even screw into here, so I don't know what that means. I guess we'll see. So let's plug it up. So of course, like they have still the little trap door situation. So this one's already obviously the cord is out, but the way you open it is you just push on the little lever, it pops open, and then that's where you store your. So I only use the little trap door if I am traveling with it. If I'm here at home, I just leave the cord out. I don't think it's really necessary at that point. So let's see. Let's compare these cords. Are they the same length? Let's see. Let's see. Get out here. Let's see. So, one's a little longer than the other, but not by that much. Maybe like an inch. So we're gonna plug both of these in and see which one's better. Oh. Okay. Well, you heard that. You heard it here first. Yeah. So we have that all squared away. So these are both plugged in. We're going to close this little trap door. It has a little cutout so you can have the cord out while you're doing your thing. Oh, so this says deflate. So on this hole right here, which this one doesn't have this, but it says deflate. So I'm assuming the hose is probably used to take air out. That's crazy. That's new. And that is really handy for inflatables because that is when you need to store them. So these are the similar. So inflate, still the same thing, push down. But the difference is that both of these sides inflate. So you could be blowing up a 5-inch and a 12-inch at the same time, which is definitely cool. This, you could do the same, but I think I like the fact that, you know, this, both sides push down, you know, not just the one. I think that's cool. Of course, it has the on and off switch, just like this one, except this one has two because there's two different sides. So this is the small side, this is the bigger side. My only concern is, I guess, blowing up two 12-inch. I like to blow up my 12s and above at the same time, so I just wonder if we can do that on this one. I guess we will see. So let me go grab some balloons and we'll check out how these things inflate. Let's test this out. We're gonna do two 11-inch and we're gonna see the speed of inflation. So this is the main inflator and this is the main inflator. So we're gonna see how quickly this inflates. Okay, 3, 2, 1. I'll count in my head too. I don't know. I feel like this inflated faster, but feeling it, I felt like this was smoother. I don't know how to explain that, but I don't know. So that's 11-inch. I feel like that was kind of a tie. Okay, now let's try 5-inch. So on this one, the only 5-inch option we have is to put this on the main one, right? But on this, we have this one that we can use. So I think that's an option. And then I figured out that this goes on here, twists in there. So this is an option with this 5-inch. So what I'm gonna do first is we're going to compare them side by side, and then we'll compare them so we'll do the pink balloons for pink, and then this green one for, so we'll do 5-inch and we'll do these identical openings. Oops. Okay, so get that on there. And I think that other one was like, I don't know, 6 seconds. Let's see. Well, as you can see, a problem. Okay, so couldn't do a side by side, but count wise, it was about 3 seconds for both. Again, this one just feels smoother. I don't know what it is. It's fun. Okay. Then now we'll do this compared to this on this side, because I do want to know if this even makes a difference. So let's see. Okay, so this little one here, like this like the one that looks like this, like the little sharp one, I don't like it. It's kind of like that blue inflator that I have. I'll tag that in the thing, but I don't know. I guess what I don't like is the fact that you can't inflate the dual thing at the same time. Like if I do this, they're going to be going at different speeds, and I don't like that. So overall, I would say if you're doing 5-inch, this is cool to just have one machine that can do all different speeds, all different types. But the fact that you can't do 2 of the same size at the same time, it kind of hurts. So yeah. So you guys let me know what you think. I mean, that's pretty much, I'm not going to do the deflate because I feel like that's not something that we do with balloons. Price point wise, this was $10 more. This wasn't. And then this thing, it's to cut things. I don't know when I would use that, but it goes right here, basically, and it cuts stuff. I'm not going to take it out of the plastic so I don't lose it. But let me know what you guys think. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.